Hey everyone, Vincent here for Phone Magazine. I just got the new Samsung Instinct phone in for Sprint Network, so I'm going to unbox it with you and give you a quick run through of the features and whatnot. So with that, let's go ahead and tear into the box. Hi everyone, Vincent here. I'm back with the box, so let's go ahead and tear into it. This must be the press kit. Let's see what this is really quick. A little Sprint mouse. Very cool. Let's put that aside. Let's go ahead and show you what the box looks like. So let's go ahead and tear into it. You see it says Samsung. Very nice boxing so far. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Let's put this aside. CD. Instruction manuals. A case. Headphones. This, I believe, is the holder for the second battery. That's right. So we'll get more into that later. This is the battery, USB cord, and power cord. So with that, thanks for watching this unboxing of the Samsung Instinct for Sprint Network, and make sure to check back later today for a full review. And thanks for watching.